Hi viewers.
Hi.
I
What do you want to talk about today?
I want to talk
Science
about
boy?
stars.
Stars,
The
yeah.
star system comparison? Okay.
Neutron stars, smallest. White dwarfs. Main sequence stars. Red giants. Red supergiants.
Wow, so many different types of stars.
Let's first talk about the sun.
Okay.
It's the center of our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune orbit it. The sun will expand into a red giant, gulp Mercury, Venus, and maybe Earth, and then collapse into a small star known as a white dwarf.
Hopefully not very, very long time from now.
What comes after the sun?
Well, it comes after the main sequence stars like the sun. It comes to the red giants. Pollux, a red giant. Arcturus, a red giant. Aldebaran, a red giant. Rigel, a blue-white supergiant. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant. Antares, a red supergiant. Dy Cancemajoris, a red supergiant. Ui Squirti, a red supergiant. And billions of more exist that we'll find eventually in our telescopes.
Wow, there's so many stars. What's the difference between these different stars besides size?
Size.
Okay.
The sun will only be a tiny speckle compared to the red supergiants.
Our sun's so small?
Yes. The sun will almost be microscopic, so you need like a little square thing to like attack the sun. And even with that thing, the sun will still look like a point.
That's incredible.
So,
Betelgeuse. The sun has a little white, or Dy Cancemajoris. The sun is almost microscopic.
Wow.
so which one lasts longer?
Well, basically our sun.
Why?
Because it's smaller. It's smaller and burns it very much slower.
So the smaller the sun, the longer it lasts?
Yes,
I see.
because the bigger stars with their hotter cores burn through their fuel much more quickly.
I see.
The most massive stars might only last a few million years before supernovaing.
What's a supernova?
A supernova is a big explosion that happens at the end of a star's life. But there's also different types of supernova that happens with white dwarfs. A supernova can make a neutron star, or something even more strange, a black hole.
Mm-hmm.
A black hole stores everything on its event horizon and its singularity.
I see. What's the event horizon singularity? What is that?
The singularity is where all the matter is concentrated in just one spot. Well, the event horizon is its surface. Just like I'm standing on the Earth's surface.
I see. That's very interesting. Did you tell us how stars form? Or what?
Well, a star forms from a collapsing dust cloud. The dust cloud got denser in center and formed a decreasing disk. And the protostar began to heat up the center. And then the protostar began fusing. Then our sun was born. Small asteroids began clumping together and formed the rocky planets and the gas giants. But then the gas giants ruined their gas, which made them the giants we see today.
The
sun is a big ball of fire, 20 million degrees Celsius, 15 million degrees Fahrenheit, 20 million degrees Fahrenheit, and 15 million degrees Celsius.
what causes the sun to burn? What's that process called?
Fusion in the core.
And how does that process work?
Hydrogen fusion makes helium. Helium fusion makes carbon. Carbon fusion makes neon. Neon fusion makes oxygen. Oxygen fusion makes silicon. Silicon fusion makes iron.
Wow, okay.
A lot of fusion inside.
Yes, but the sun only stops at helium fusion, which makes carbon.
I see. It doesn't make iron, the sun, right?
Yes. The
What
sun-
happens when it makes iron?
It goes supernova. Because the iron sucks up electricity, energy, rather than giving it. And also iron nuclei suck up electrons that are whizzing around. That also helps support the core.
Wow, you know so much about this. Do you love studying?
I like studying.
Guess you like stars.
Betelgeuse will sure go supernova, but it's too far away to hurt us. It's about 600 light years away. But the nearest star, but a star that might explode and give us some problems is Spica. And it's well over 100 light years away.
Is that going to happen
But-
anytime soon?
Spica might explode because it's the lower limit for going supernova. It might not explode at all. There's also another explosion from white dwarfs, but we think we're pretty safe from that too.
Hooray!
Hooray!
Okay, thank you so much for
Thank you
teaching
for.
us about stars today.
Bye, viewers!
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.